Understanding the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator. This document explores the distinctions between the terms fridge and refrigerator, which are often used interchangeably in everyday conversation. While both refer to appliances used for cooling food and beverages, there are notable differences in size, functionality, and features. Key differences: size and capacity. Fridge, generally, refers to smaller cooling units that are designed for basic food storage. They are often compact and suitable for limited spaces, making them ideal for dorm rooms, small apartments, or offices. Refrigerator, typically, larger and offers more storage capacity. Refrigerators can accommodate a wider variety of food items and often include separate compartments for different types of food. Functionality. Fridge primarily focuses on cooling and preserving food. It may not have additional features beyond basic cooling capabilities. Refrigerator, more versatile, often equipped with advanced features such as separate freezer compartments, adjustable shelves, and temperature controls. Some modern refrigerators also include smart technology for enhanced functionality. Cost. Fridge, generally, more cost-effective due to its simpler design and fewer features. This makes it a popular choice for budget-conscious consumers. Refrigerator typically comes at a higher price point due to its larger size and advanced features. The investment may be justified for those who require more storage and functionality. Additional features. Fridge may lack additional features such as ice makers, water dispensers, or smart controls. Refrigerator often includes features like ice makers, water dispensers, and smart technology that allows for remote monitoring and control via smartphones. Conclusion. In summary, while fridge and refrigerator are often used interchangeably, they represent different cooling appliances. Fridges are smaller, more basic, and cost-effective, whereas refrigerators offer greater versatility, advanced features, and larger capacities. Understanding these differences can help consumers make informed decisions based on their needs and preferences.